Alam ko this might sound too sudden, pero please pakinggan mo muna ako. Ever since we met, kahit pa nga isang up lang yun, there was something different about you. I tried to ignore it, tried to keep it friendly, but I can't lie anymore. Gusto kita. I like you so much, Rian. Hindi ko alam kung napansin mo o kung naramdaman mo rin kahit konti. Pero if it's okay, can you wait for me? Kasi hindi ko hinihingi na maging tayo agad. Hindi ako nandito para pilitin ka. Gusto ko lang sabihin to. I'm trying, I really am. Alam ko, you're that kind of person who doesn't care what people think that I do. Ayokong isipin nila na ginamit lang kita, na pinasakay lang kita. I want to be sure. Gusto kong pag dumating yung araw na pwede ko na talagang ipaglaban to, ako na yung best version ng sarili ko. For you. Baby, kung hindi ka pa ready, okay lang. Kung hindi mo ko kayang hintayin, maiintindihan ko. Pero, kung kaya mo, just wait for me a little longer. Hindi mo alam, you've already been saving me in the ways I never said out loud.